Hey guys, what's going on? Today we are taking our quiz at home, so we do want to review it. It's very similar to what we did in class while you were sitting in those desks right over there. But we do want to review your options that you've got. So first thing we got to do is we got to open up the quiz, and that's always in OneNote. So for a lot of you, it's right down here at the bottom of the screen. It's pinned. It's that purple icon. If it's not there, don't worry. Go on over to that magnifying glass. Tell them that you want to search for OneNote. And look, there it is. All right. So we can go ahead and open on up there. Now I'm gonna backtrack because I wanted that. I wanted the Windows app that's there. All right. It can bring up a bunch of different folders there. So yeah, there it is. There it is. That purple icon. Click on it. Open it on up. All right. So things that we want to make sure. First of all, up top here, make sure it's your class period. All right, so if you're third period, all right, this is where you want to be. If not, you can click on the arrow and find your class period. All right, but hey, third period is what I'm going to go through here. And here's what we want to watch for. All right, you should be able to find your name on the side here. All right, you can see the teacher version. I've got all my students that are there. But here's what we want to keep in mind. We are no longer in the review unit. So you might see this word quizzes here, but no, that's under the review unit. So you can actually click on it and say, bye-bye, I don't want to see you anymore because we're done with the review units. We are in unit 2, all right? So if I click on it, it goes away. If I click on it, okay. All of our units are broken down into topics, A, B, C, maybe even the letter D, all right? I've seen the letter E and F before. All right, but anyway, but when I'm in there, if you look off to the right hand side, there's your quiz on lesson 1. So here it is. All right, we got it right there for you. You can see in the upper right hand corner, it does say quiz lesson 1. I think this is a prime day for inking, people. All right, prime day, because all you're doing is circling. Which ones the vocab belongs to? Again, there you can circle more than one. So I would go on up to your draw up here. All right, click on something. All right. And then you can just, oops, see if I had my stylus, here, all right, then I could write directly on it, would be fine. All right, now, if you don't have a stylus, which is fine, all right, you want to make sure you go up here with that touch to draw feature. And if I do that, then I can use my, there we go. Then I can use my finger to do my drawing. Now, I do have to select my pen. You can change your ink size there if you like. Even change your color. Don't go crazy with it, just something. And then you can get back in and you can do your drawing there. Woo! All right. Sorry. So yeah, take it. Remember, there's no submitting. There's no saving like that. Whatever you write in there, it's going to automatically be there. Your other quizzes have been graded as well, so I would suggest that you go back, you find your name, you click on that unit review, you click on those quizzes that are there, so you can look at them. We're going to talk about the whole retake options. So if you're not happy with your grade, don't worry about it, people. We will be building all those options in so you can do the retake and that you can earn that 10. Because remember, the goal is learning, whether it takes 1 quiz or 2 quizzes, hey, that's fine. The goal is that we get there, not simply how fast we end up getting there. That's it. Office hours, if you've got concerns, email me. Just realize that could take a little bit to return. And then I will see you in class tomorrow. So if there are technology issues, I get it. It's the first time we've been doing this from home. We'll take care of it. All right, that's it for everyone. All right, make sure you're checking your homework website for everything else that you need to do.